Are you looking for ways to grow your business and reach a wider audience? If so, partnership marketing might be the solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll show you how to use partnership marketing to increase your brand's visibility, generate more leads, and boost your sales. First, let's define what partnership marketing is. Simply put, it's a collaborative effort between two or more businesses to promote each other's products or services. By partnering with another business, you can tap into their audience and leverage their credibility to gain more exposure for your brand. But how do you get started with partnership marketing? In the next segment, we'll show you how to identify potential partners and evaluate their suitability for your business. First step in using partnership marketing is to identify potential partners. Start by thinking about businesses that share your target audience, but are not direct competitors. For example, if you sell fitness equipment, you could partner with a gym or a nutritionist. Once you have a list of potential partners, evaluate their suitability for your business. Look for businesses that have a similar brand image and values to yours. You want to make sure that partnering with them won't damage your brand's reputation. Next, consider the size of their audience and their engagement levels. You want to partner with businesses that have a large and engaged audience, as this will increase your chances of reaching new customers. Finally, think about what you can offer your potential partners in return. What unique value can you bring to the partnership? This could be access to your own audience, exclusive discounts or promotions, or even a revenue sharing agreement. In the next segment, we'll show you how to approach potential partners and pitch your partnership idea. Once you've identified potential partners, it's time to approach them and pitch your partnership idea. Start by doing some research on the business and their current marketing efforts. This will help you tailor your pitch to their specific needs and goals. When you reach out to them, be clear about what you're proposing and what you hope to achieve through the partnership. Explain how partnering with your business can benefit them and their audience. It's also important to be flexible and open to their ideas and suggestions. Partnership marketing is a collaborative effort, and you want to make sure that both parties are happy with the arrangement. If they are interested in partnering with you, make sure to formalize the agreement in writing. This should include details on the scope of the partnership, the responsibilities of each party, and any financial arrangements. In the next segment, we'll show you how to create a successful partnership marketing campaign. Now that you've established a partnership, it's time to create a successful marketing campaign. Start by setting clear goals and objectives for the campaign. What do you hope to achieve through the partnership? Is it increased brand awareness, more leads, or higher sales? Next, create a plan for how you'll promote the partnership. This could include social media posts, email newsletters, or even a joint event or product launch. Make sure to leverage each other's audiences and platforms to maximize your reach. It's also important to track and measure the success of the campaign. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, social media engagement, and sales. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments as needed. Finally, make sure to nurture the partnership and maintain a good relationship with your partner. This could include regular check-ins, joint brainstorming sessions, or even exclusive offers for each other's audiences. In the final segment, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this video. To recap, partnership marketing can be a powerful tool for growing your business and reaching new audiences. Here are the key takeaways from this video. 1. Identify potential partners that share your target audience but are not direct competitors. 2. Evaluate their suitability for your business based on their brand image, audience size, and engagement levels. 3. Approach potential partners with a clear proposal and be open to their ideas and suggestions. 4. Create a successful marketing campaign by setting clear goals, leveraging each other's audiences, and tracking your results. 5. Nurture the partnership and maintain a good relationship with your partner. By following these steps, you can use partnership marketing to increase your brand's visibility, generate more leads, and boost your sales. Thank you for watching this video on how to use partnership marketing. We hope you found it helpful and informative.